You spent good money on that computer and you want to protect that data. So I'm going to give you some tips on picking your next antivirus software. So stay tuned. With all the antivirus, anti-malware, and general cleanup utilities that are available on the market, which one do you choose? Well, believe it or not, that's not the simplest question to answer. Every company thinks theirs is the best in the biz, of course, so I'm going to give you a couple of tips on what to look out for. A lot of computer companies will actually send out their machines pre-installed with some sort of an antivirus on a trial basis. Depending on who you ask, this can be a good thing or a complete waste of time. So how do you know? Well, in my opinion, the best thing you can do is research. Google is your best friend. Not only will you get information from the software developers if you're into that kind of thing, but you'll get real world reviews from people who actually use the software at home. Good or bad, you'll know what you're getting yourself into. The next thing to consider is cost. Yes, there are a lot of free versions out there. Most companies, in fact, offer a free version of their antivirus, but it's not really a proper solution. You see, what it is it's a cut down version. Sure, you can scan for viruses and it'll find a lot of stuff. It'll pick up a lot of potentially unwanted programs, commonly known as pups, and it will get frequent updates. So what's the difference? Well, quite a bit actually. You see, the free version is reactive, whereas the paid version is actually proactive. You get a lot of additional layers on your security that way. Browser extensions to keep you away from unsafe sites, even if you think they're the right ones. What else is there? Online banking and online shopping protection. Email scanning as it's coming in, so you'll never even get a virus, most of the time. That is the beauty of the paid version. You get those additional layers on top of what the free version does. And finally, I suggest finding one that's easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. So look for something that's easy to install, easy to set up, and has the full list of security features that we just talked about. There are so many different companies out there. Just do your research and you'll find the right one for you. So that's going to be... What? Oh, you want a proper recommendation? Oh, let me think for a second. I gotcha. Go take a look at Bitdefender. They are a very reliable company. I use them and I recommend them to a lot of my friends, family, and clients. So they have everything from home use all the way up to enterprise. So they'll have you covered if you're interested. So that's going to do it for this week, guys. Thanks again for tuning in. If you got some value out of this, go ahead and toss me another like. If not, you sure know what to do. Go ahead and get subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new PC tips.